a leash and my camera mount at the same time while figuring out how not to fall in a river. All right, Bennett, here we go. Right here. Oh, here we go. And yes, that's me picking up poor Bennett like he's a suitcase. Poor thing. Here's your gloves, babe. You won't need them? Take them anyway, just in case. If you lose them, just slip them on. The observant among you will notice that I forgot to put my own gloves on and then had to figure out how to do that while kayaking. And then Bennett gets to impersonate a suitcase again, and I ended up wrapping the leash around my leg just to make myself feel a little safer. Around my leg.
I should have known just from the tattoo.
Thank you so much.
Sit straight, don't lean out the launch, and come back up to latitude left, right shoulder finger here.
Okay. Nice. Good job, Bennett. Sit. You're good. He was remarkably chill during the entire launch procedure, although I did notice that for the first minute and a half of kayaking, I could feel him breathing faster and I could feel his heart rate ramp up. But then once he realized, I guess, he was in no immediate danger, he was like, okay, this is cool. You're probably thinking, this is the last thing I expected to be doing today.